Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So, some of my YouTube subscribers had asked me about this question that customizing the properties inside the BOM, so like material, mass, and length, etc. So, how to do it, we'll see in this particular session. Okay, inserting the custom properties inside the bill of materials of assemblies or components. Let's get started with this. So as I could say, this is the assembly which we are going to work on. So I'll just try to add the BOM for this by using the SolidWorks drawings. So you can take any of the standard uh, sheet format, and then I'll simply add the isometric view. You can, if you want, you can just change the scale of it. And now you can directly go to annotations tab, and here we have the tables and BOM table. So in this I'll use the default one. If you want, you can change the different templates. When I go and insert the properties, there is no material tab and the mass or length particular custom properties here. So what you need to do here is you need to assign the material and you need to create the custom properties for these components. So then only it will be updated into the assembly as well. So let's say this is the component which I had opened it from there. So sometimes you want to have the custom properties tab on the menu bar itself. If it is not visible, you can use the search bar and you can add it. So let me assign the material as brass here, and I'll search for the property file properties, and you can simply drag and drop it and place it on the menu bar, so every time you can access it. And here I'll add the properties from this list: weight, or you can add the stock size and material. In the expression you can simply change it to mass, and the same thing here. Okay, material, and here the expression is material. So if you want, you can change the unit system as well. So if you are looking for IPS or feeds and all, change the unit system and assemblies as well as the part, and automatically it will be updated to the drafting. You just need to customize the drawing template there as well. Okay, so once it is done, you can just directly go back to this particular BOM and it won't be updated, right? So you can just delete this, or else you can simply insert here. It will be anyway updated here. Can you see, this is the material so which we had recently just added. Okay, the same thing, if you want, you can create extra column, or else you can simply use the same tabs. Let's say column C description, I don't want it. So what you can do is, you can simply click on it and you can use the insert custom properties and select the mask like this. Okay, so like this you can customize your custom properties into the BOM. Yep, that's all. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Bye everyone.